Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Panorista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is sketchy florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. Okay, so we are going to be planning in a week for August 4th through the 10th, and I am going to start with doing some checklists. So I hope you're okay with that. While I do that, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you found me. Hopefully you like these type of videos, and if you do, don't forget to click that subscribe button at the end. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, you guys already know I am so thankful for you, and I'm glad you're here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and keep on going with these checklists really fast. I need every single day filled with checklists. This week is going to be busy. In general, August is a very, very busy month for us. There's a lot of family birthdays and a lot of celebrations going on. So I just wanted to go ahead and make space for all of that needs to get done. Okay, I also picked the book already. So we're going to be using the Chic Summer from Live Love Posh. I know, huge surprise there using Live Love Posh. I just love her elegant stickers, so I couldn't help myself. I already know what is going on with the day, so just bear with me as I go ahead and start doing that. Um, and yeah, let's get going with all of this. One more day, and then I'm gonna start applying these beautiful pastel stickers to the spread. And I know it's probably kind of too light for like midsummer, but I just needed a little break from like very harsh bright colors. So this is a very nice compromise, I guess. Okay. If you guys are purchasing stickers from Live Love Posh, I would really appreciate if you used my coupon. So I am an affiliate of theirs. And yes, you do get a discount when you use my affiliate code. And no, it does not cost you more. So it's Kasha, like the name, like my name, 10. So it's Kasha 10. Or you can think of it as Hey Asia 10. Like they call me at Starbucks? So yeah, here we go. So pretty easy to remember. I'm going to go ahead and start applying these stickers to the corners. So we have this a super nice cooler, which I actually have this drink cooler in gray, compliments of my brother for one of my birthdays. It is so fun to have it because, it has lots and lots of space for drinks. So here we go. Okay, now I want to apply this really beautiful clear sticker of like the marina with a little hat at the end, because look at this, look how pretty with the mountains. It's like a whole view. So I'm going to start applying this, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of this correction tape. Yeah, and that looks fantastic. Okay, so I can keep going. I know that there's that corner line in a like on a corner of the sticker, but I'm just going to let it go. So here we go. There's so much more to do, you guys. So I need lots of boxes. I don't remember if this book had boxes. I think it does. Yeah, it does. So his blues and pinks. And if I run out of blues, I know my other books have, like from River of Posh, they have these gorgeous blue boxes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying those. So here we go. I need those small ones as always. The small ones are mainly for my oh my gosh, what do you call them? For my work schedule. I am blanking today. I'm not sure like if my brain is going through something, but it's not good, you guys. Like I am not impressed with my brain right now. I think it's like the aging process. Okay, anyway, so lots of boxes, a box, at least a box each day. So yeah, I'm gonna alternate pinks and blues, and I have, like I said, a different type of pink and a different type of blue. I don't know if I'm gonna use more pink because that seems to be standing out on a page a lot more than a blue, but I will definitely be using my blues. Okay, so next up, okay, I have these blues, like I said, from a different book. I really like these, like, these are almost, I call them periwinkle blue. I don't know what you guys call it, but that's what I call it, and I kind of love it. So yeah, my little periwinkle blue it is. Okay, so here we go. That's what I'm going to be doing very quickly. Nothing too like crazy, I think, because just want to keep this spread pretty simple. Like I said, it's going to be a busy week. I already know it. Um, I feel it in my bones, you guys. Um, so yeah, no, but I am anticipating a pretty busy week. And when that happens, I am trying my best to stay productive and cool. And yeah, and that usually helps with just staying on task. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. So I have this leftover sticker, first of all. So like it was too long and I cut it from like my last plan with me, and I saved it, and now I get to like turn it into almost like a washi strip. So watch that. I'm just gonna cut it into like a thinner piece. Look at this, like that. And then I'm just gonna start applying it to all of these boxes. And I think that will be fun. It's almost looks a little bit like a stained window effect in the box, like a piece of stained window is sticking in. I don't know if you guys see that, but that's how I see it. You guys let me know how you see it, what you think. Like I said, I love creating spreads like this where they bring me so much joy and they're beautiful and they're just fun and a lot. So, okay, you guys were I want to put this on every single one of them. I don't know if I have enough. I'm going to cut it to the best of my ability. On Sunday, I might not be able to do that though, because that box will need so much stuff in it. Okay, so okay. So here we go. I'm almost done. I'm just gonna do, let's see. Just gonna go ahead and put the little sticker up there, and then the other side. Let's see if I can fit all three. Because if I can fit all three, then I'm in good shape. And I can always add something to the Sunday later. But like I said, the Sunday is going to be pretty busy. It is a birthday party that we're attending, and it's going to be some prep work involved in there. So not a big deal. So let's go ahead and put Friday and Saturday in here. Okay, like so. Perfect. And then okay, so the boxes are done. I'm leaving them as B, but take a look. Don't you guys think that's kind of fun and different? Like, doesn't that give like a different kind of vibe and effect in there? I just like doing weird stuff. Okay, so save all of your like scraps and stickers because this is the stuff that you can use it for. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a big chunk of flowers right there and a big chunk of flowers right there because I love, 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 love having my flowers all over the spread if I can. So let's go ahead and add a few more things. So I'm gonna add this sign that says Lodge, Lake Rules, not Lodge Rules. They soak up the sun, make memories, go boating, sit by the fire. Like all of these things I'm game for. So yeah. So there's all of that. Okay, so the only complaint about these boxes, because this is from an older book, it is slightly bigger than what the boxes in the Happy Planner are. But Live Love Posh does have her own planner, which I actually will be putting together soon with you guys on camera. So stay tuned for that video. I am super excited to do this with you guys because her planners are gorgeous. Okay, anyway, so I am looking for like a new work planner. So we're gonna try that one and we'll put it together um, on like one of the next videos. I don't know what order these are going to be coming out in, but that's where I am right now. So yeah, um, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and keep on adding few things. So this whole thing is not gonna fit, but I wonder if it would look okay if I cut it in half, like so, and just added half of this outfit. How would that look? Okay, not too bad. Let me know if you guys think this is weird, because you might think so, and I kind of think so. I'm not sure. So we shall see. But as you guys know, I really, really enjoy a full spread. And as you see, like my flip throughs of my spreads, they are basically like virtually no leftover space. So kind of fun for me to be able to do that. Let's edit this. Yeah, I don't fish. But you know what? It's fine. It's fishing. Like it's like really, really cute camping. Okay. So all done. I'm putting back the spread back in. It was nice spending time with you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another video. Have a great day. Bye.